So I would probably agree that Sandra can go just because she's been there 8 years, but like, is she just not getting training or why is she still a poor worker? Because she is getting top pay, so maybe she's someone worth investing time into training, maybe. Even though she does have 3 kids to support. I mean, you have to be good at your job if you've been working there for 8 years. And with Craig, I found that kind of hard. I don't know if I disagree, but I don't know if I agree completely. He's been working there more than anyone at the company, and he is getting top pay, and he is single, so like he doesn't have a lot of people to support. Um, and I guess like being an average worker, I mean, you should be excellent at your job. So I definitely feel like maybe he can stay if he gets like training or maybe getting talked to, whether like we'll deduct your pay if you don't get like reach a certain amount of like sales or whatever it is. Um, so yeah.